Not all investment costs are front and center. Some of the most impactful fees are small, percentage-based, and quietly accumulate in the background for years. One such cost is the total expense ratio, often abbreviated as TER. This animated line chart will show the total cost of holding an exchange-traded fund over a 40-year period. We're assuming a one-time investment of $10,000 with no monthly contributions. The fund is growing at an average annual return of 7%. Inflation, capital gains taxes, and transaction costs are excluded, so we can isolate the effect of just one variable, the TER. In this case, the TER is set at 0.30%. At first glance, that may sound negligible, just a fraction of a percent. But because it's applied to the total portfolio value every single year, it adds up. And as the portfolio grows, so does the amount deducted. This is the power of compounding, working in reverse. Just as gains can multiply over time, so can costs, if they're percentage-based. A 0.30% fee may not seem high in a single year, but it compounds into something far more substantial over several decades. By the end of the 40-year period, the total cost deducted by the fund reaches over $6,400. That's money that could have remained in your account, continuing to earn returns, but instead was gradually pulled away in small increments. This example serves as a reminder. When investing long-term, don't just focus on returns. Pay close attention to fees as well. Because in the end, even seemingly minor costs can have a major impact.